Welcome to King of the Tower.
That's right, guys. Welcome back to King of the Tower here on the new and improved Ruby Raceway, a 2-lane drag strip. That's right. It is sponsored by The Ridge as well as DiecastDB, the greatest diecast database. You can start logging your collection within your phone, either Apple or Android. Be sure to download today. It is constantly getting updated with new castings. So might as well start logging the ones that you have so you can stop filling up your camera roll. So, of course, Jacob is the current King of the Tower for this season. We're going to see if he can finish it off and, of course, hold back these two drivers who are back for some racing. We have Chuck Isaac and Steve Zielinski. And, of course, here we go, guys. Beautiful purple tail dragger, old school big body, driven by Chuck. He is calling out Steve Zielinski in the red Mercedes. So old school versus new school. Let's get this going.
Drivers, make your way to the track for the tournament.
Oh man, I am super stoked to get the first race of the night as well as the first race on this track going. I mean, we got new school versus old school. I'm kind of rooting for the big body right here, guys. I don't know, I just love the old school lines of that tail dragger. But I mean, Mercedes is where it's at, man. I mean, the technology in this car versus the technology in the tail dragger is greatly different. Let's see. Oh man, that Mercedes is quick off the line, and I'm pretty sure I hear a helicopter out here. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But first win goes to the Mercedes, and it looks like he's taking the win again. Hey! I'm sure you guys miss me. Chopper Bob is back, and holy crap, I don't know what I missed, guys, but another track change. This is getting crazy, but I do like the clean setup of just drag racing. That is what it's all about, and it looks like we have a red Mercedes going up against the tower. Oh man, such an awesome time to come back. Gotta love it, guys. Missed you all. Let's get some races going. All right, good to have you back, Chopper Bob, and I'm pretty sure everyone else agrees with that one. Get some really good aerial footage. But here we go, Steve Zielinski going up against InCount in the Evo. Evo's an all-wheel drive, so hopefully the Mercedes knows what he's going up against. And oh, never mind. Never mind, Steve's Mercedes definitely took the win on that one. Man, was not expecting that. InCount's car usually does very, very well off the line, but I don't know. I don't know. That Mercedes is pretty quick after that first race. Let's go for race number 2. Oh man. Yo, look at that. Just took the win on that. Wasn't trying to cut you off, my man, but are we not going to identify the fact that InCount is no longer on the tower? You gotta be kidding, guys. The day I come back, I see this. Oh my gosh. Steve Zielinski eliminated InCount from the tower. That means he goes up against Adam in the 99 Lightning. No, you're right, man. I mean, come on. Steve Zielinski is now going up against Adam. No more InCount on the tower. That is crazy. But we all know that Adam's truck is very, very fast, so we'll see how well this Mercedes does. It's doing good so far. Oh yeah, and look at that. Still taking another win. God, this Mercedes is fast, guys. This is a fast one. I don't know what Steve has done to this car, but it is quick. And I mean, that Lightning is usually a showstopper. Look at that. Oh man, here we go. He moved through Adam, pushing him into the gatekeeper spot, man. Oh man, he is moving up. Oh. Yeah, no, definitely did not think this Mercedes was going to advance the way he is going. I mean, Steve is going up against another Zielinski race team driver. This is crazy, guys. Mercedes is definitely owning these first few races right now. I mean, this car has to be stopped, but I don't think he is. I really don't. Look at that. Just finishing strong, just a bumper's length ahead of that Hot Wheels race team car. And that is very, very scary because this car can take out the king. Who knows? Can Steve do it? Oh, and look at that. Gets a good half a car length. Hey, sure does look good from up here. Gary versus Steve. Let's go. Nice. Gary took it. Looks good, buddy. All right, it looks like Gary's going to be the one to hold him back. First win. Let's see, can he do it again? Nice. Oh, there we go, guys. Gary held him off, but I gotta say, from up here, that was an amazing, amazing race for Steve, man. Definitely an awesome Mercedes. So he is now in 4th position. Gary's trying to move up. He's going up against Big Daddy, my man. Here we go, guys. Big Daddy versus Gary in his Mustang. Now, we've seen these guys battle it out before, so it is no different how great these cars are. Chevy Stalker versus the Ford Mustang. Oh, and here we go. It looks like Gary took the first win. Wow. He might get his spot back. Who knows? He might be into the second, maybe first. Can he do it? He took the win, guys. That means Gary goes up against Jacob, who is currently king of the tower. Can he take him off and win the overall? Do we have like a power outage or something? What's going on? Oh, here we go. Oh, Jacob versus Gary. Can Jacob win the final race of the night? That Corvette is fast, guys. Here we go. Such a close race. Jacob takes the win. Can he do it again and remain the king of the tower and take the trophy? Let's see, super close, but he takes it. Oh, yes. Dude, I am so glad I was here for that. Jacob took the win. He takes the trophy home as the king of the tower for this season. Such an epic race day today, guys. And of course, Gary taking home the 2nd place. But still, Jacob, man, congratulations.
Congratulations, Jacob is still king of the tower.
There you have it, guys. Jacob is the king of the tower as he has been for the longest. Gary Redmond takes 2nd position. Big Daddy DIECAST takes 3rd. And we got Steve Zielinski in the red Mercedes in 4th. The other Zielinski in 5th. And then, of course, Adam C. in 6th position in his 99 Lightning. So, great race day today, guys. Absolutely love that Chopper Bob was back to give you guys some more entertainment. And, of course, there's going to be more to come, more races, and, of course, new drivers for the next season. And who will be the next king of the tower? Peace.